we should be unboxing 2 of the Moonside neon crystal cubes. Come on now, there we go. And box number 1. Now, Moonside occasionally takes some slack because they occasionally miss a shipping deadline, and then people freak out on Kickstarter. They're like, "Oh, it's a scam!" But in my experience, they've always delivered. I own the lamp 1 and the neon lighthouse and the neon hex, and now the neon crystal cube. Box is a little beat up from shipping, but pretty nondescript. Let's get this sucker open, which is gonna be through here, I guess. Oops, oopsies. Alright, we open up, we've got wall plug, the attached remote thing that Moonside does. Now they offered several different backings, color backings and front glass. I chose the pretty much basic standard model, so I have just the transparent glass front and the black backing. This is what it should be in here. Let's find out what we got. Guess that's the cube glass part of it. There's the black back, so I did get the right piece. That's good. It just clips on there like so. A little cleaning cloth. I opted for the 2-pack, so we'll get the other one open here and we'll get them plugged in for you. Start playing around. Two devices found, connecting to the first. Having trouble doing 2 at once here. It says 2 devices found, connecting the first, but it's kind of hanging on that. The pairing app is just kind of frozen on connecting the first, which is what it did on the last time around. So I'm going to X out of it, and the light should be in the app. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna let it sit for just a little while longer, see if it magically finishes itself. But there's no reason it should take this long. Looks like the app may be frozen, so I'm gonna have to quit and relaunch. Upon relaunch, I see both the crystal cubes, which appear in the app just as these gray bars. Tap and hold to get into them. And then you can access their settings. So you remember how to do this stuff. Turn down the brightness. Makes it a little easier to see for you guys, I think. Well, they sure look pretty. Yeah, I wonder how the different faces would look, you know. I opted for the transparent because I just wanted to see the clears, but the translucent, I bet, would have looked really nice as well. They also had some rippled and frosted and all that noise. This is the magic fire effect. Let's take a look at a few more. And there's cool sky. Of course, this is with the brightness turned down almost all the way, so it can be seen easily on camera. OJ has always been one of my favorite effects. The Moonside lamps. Don't know why, I just like the light. So this is the Moonside crystal cube. Fresh off its Kickstarter release. Plugs in via the back. There's rear lighting as well, which is a little harder to see because it's turned down for the camera, but it's there. This front crystal part detaches and can be replaced with alternative faces. I only have the clear one, as you could technically use it without even, but you miss out on the whole crystal cube part of it. It's okay, not really big enough to draw anything, and the app is frozen again. Ooh, Moonside. Let's close and relaunch. So, a little unwieldy, but there you have Moonside's neon crystal cube. I don't believe there's any sort of accelerometer, so you know, you turn it upside down or whatever, it's not going to know which side is up. All in all, a pretty attractive little piece of kit. Build quality feels nice, pretty solid. Here's the rear, inside design. The plug could have been designed a little better. They also had an option where you could engrave your crystal cube with special lettering, but I don't know if anybody was able to take advantage of that. I think that option kind of got lost in the shuffle because they were trying to get the product launched.